Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Wheel Wonderland. Today we're unboxing the Hot Wheels Lamborghini Sesto Elemento in white. It's number 2CL4, out of 250 in the 2024 mainline, and part of the HW Exotic series, car 4 out of 10. The real Sesto Elemento was unveiled in 2010. Its name means sixth element in Italian, because it's made mostly of carbon fiber, keeping it super light at around 999 kilograms. It's powered by a 5.2-liter V10 engine with 570 horsepower and does 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.5 seconds. This Hot Wheels version looks amazing with the white paint, black wheels with red accents, and those sharp aerodynamic lines. If you love Hot Wheels, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Wheel Wonderland for more cool unboxings. Let's get into it!